This Halloween, an ancient magic awakens. Introducing the Haunted Halloween Pen Kit, the latest creation from wood turnings that could be locked away forever if not summoned by our supporters. Crafted with the essence of Halloween night, each pen boasts enchanted designs, promising to breathe life into your most haunted tales. This ghoulishly delightful kit includes everything you need to create a one-of-a-kind Halloween masterpiece. Spooky pen kit parts, enchanting pen blanks, and enough chills to send shivers down your spine. With 21 years of casting spells in the pen kit market, wood turning stands as your trusted leader. Join us and let's make history together. Use your pen making skills to turn this haunting pen kit into a magical masterpiece. Or use a pre-made carbon fiber blank to press together with no turning experience required. Pledge your support on Kickstarter before the final bell tolls. Together, we'll unlock the magic. Dare to join the legend? But beware, the spell to unleash this masterpiece is bound by time. Our Kickstarter goal must be met, or the Haunted Halloween Pen Kit will be forever sealed in its crypt.